Welcome to VPSC Learning again. I'm your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi class. As we have completed first part of the explanation of chapter number 9, Karate Parrot. Now this is the second part of the chapter 9, Karate Parrot. Pause the video carefully class and learn chapter number 8 and chapter number 6 for the post periodic exam. A waiter was summoned and Sunil coffee was ordered. Well, tell us then, exclaimed Bala. Bala ordered the coffee for Sunil and now asking for the story. Yes, what is the incredible story you have to tell us? Asked Anil. Then Anil again asked to Sunil, tell us the story of your leg. You won't believe it, said Sunil, but it is all perfectly true. Sunil said, you will not believe, but it is really true story. The waiter arrived with a steamed cup of espresso coffee and placed it on the table in front of Sunil. He looked curiously at the Sunil Foods, which was in plaster. Miss Waiter was looking very excitingly, very curiously at the Sunil Foods, which was in plaster. When the waiter had gone, Sunil helped himself to sugar and stirred the coffee. He gazed out means looked on the window at the people passing by outside. Come on, asked Anil, what happened? Anil said to Sunil, tell us the story. What happened? Sunil looked at the sip of coffee, wiped his mouth, and smiled. Well, he began. On Wednesday, I was fine, but on Thursday, I ended with this broken foot. In that means, got the yes, ended with his broken foot. Sunil stuck out his foot for his friend. Stuck out means आगे बढ़ाना. For his friends to get a good look. To show his friend his plaster. It all started when my wife decided to get a pet, continued Sunil, and then he settled comfortably into his chair to tell him the story. Now he started telling about the story. He started. He said that my wife decided to get a pet. Sunil's story. As you know, Susmita has always wanted a pet. He has begged me, requested me for months to get a dog or a cat to keep her company. But the problem is we live in a flat. I always felt it is not fair on a dog or a cat to imprison. Imprison means कैद करना in a flat on the sixth floor of an apartment building. It will be not good to capture or imprison or to have a dog and cat in a small flat. Dog needs open space and cat need to come and go as they pleased. A flat is certainly not a suitable place for them. Means a flat is not suitable place for cat or dog. Well, Susmita agreed with me in the end, but last week she went along with to the pet shop on the corner of the GT Road and Flower Street. You have the place beside the milk depot. Means then they decided to go to the pet shop to take a pet, and the shop was at the corner of GT Road, Flower Street, near beside the milk depot. She decided that if she could not have a dog or cat, she was going to see what else they had in the shop. She felt he had to have some support to pet around. The children have all grown up now and left home, so she feels a little lonely, especially when I am in here most of the time with you too. On Thursday, I went into the city to the bank. I had some business there, so I decided to finish my work at bank, do some shopping. I needed sales for my radio and one or two other things, and then get home by evening. Miss, after visiting the pet shop, Sunil has to go to bank and some other work. Now class, it's enough for today. I will tell the rest story tomorrow.